This is the Unbreakable Waterproof Phone Pouch. So this fits phones up to about 7 inches, and it will keep them dry while you have them outdoors or dust-free, and even can be brought underwater up to about 100 feet or 30 meters. So this is super easy to set up. These are the cables I'm unboxing here that will become kind of like a lanyard, so you can hang it around your neck, around your wrist, or tie it on to whatever device it is that you're using it with. So just clips in super easy like that, and you can see there's a open close area in the top, and it comes with a pack of 2. So that is just a instruction manual. I didn't look too closely and didn't realize it works much better when you don't have a case on. So just as you can see, it will kind of catch edges. So take your phone case off is my best solution to that, and it'll slide in super easy. So make sure you lock up the edges so you don't have any moisture coming into the case as you're using it. But as you can see here, it is super clear to use in the case, and the videos that you take while it's in the pouch come out super clear. I took this video while I was out. It kept my phone super waterproof while I had water splashing all over while I was paddleboarding, and the videos came out crisp and clean. Definitely recommend it.